Hi, I'm Harvey Wade, based in the UK. I attended the Strategy Tools Master Training in January 2020 in Norway, a dark Norway, a wet Norway. I didn't know quite what to expect, but I have to say it really blew my mind. It was intense, but in a way that was very, very helpful. It was fun, lots of laughs, lots of good conversation, lots of challenging conversation. My knowledge of ecosystems, of scale-up startups, of transformation, of strategy, immensely deepened and broadened. I didn't just see it from a UK perspective, I saw it from a global perspective. And the people that were also on the course, they are friends for life. I'd highly recommend going on the training. You won't be disappointed. And it is just very hard to describe what you will actually get, but you will get a lot and you won't ever regret it.